Hello, I'm Butler. I'm a third-year student studying geography.
And if you just tell me a little bit about the project that you did for your dissertation.
Yeah, okay. Well, my project is basically focused on a peat bog in Wales. We took a soil core from the peat bog, and basically what we did is we analysed it in three ways: magnetic susceptibility, organic content, and pollen sampling. So what we did for that is we kind of went through in really small sample sets, so 1 centimetre each, and the whole sample's about 6.4 metres in all. And hopefully what we're looking to get by it is evidence of previous environments.
Okay.
So sort of magnetic susceptibility, so if it's magnetic susceptibility, you see there's a peak there. Then basically, if that's high, then it means there's like a lot of erosion in that time, so you can see how the environment was. So that's kind of evidence of maybe an ice age or something. In this case, it's the Younger Dryas period.
Right.
So it's kind of a bit of the erosional period before the Holocene actually kicked in. My project is actually focused on the Holocene, so all this like noise you can see there.
Yeah.
It's just environmental stuff that we can pick up on and hopefully get a really in detail record.
And what made you choose this as a project? Was that an area that you would be interested in going into after your degree?
I really like the fact of ancient environments. I'm kind of really interested in that. Originally I wanted to do kind of a lot older than this, but this is the most accessible one.
Okay.
Basically the equipment they use is quite simple. It's just a core and quite simple lab equipment as well. But originally I wanted to go into maybe a bit older than this as well, and kind of look for maybe mammals and stuff.
Right.
And things, but you can still see like evidence of mammals and things.
Yeah.
You can see that like the pollen samples will give like you can see what may have eaten it at the time, so that'll give you an indication of flora and fauna as well.
Okay. Did you use, is it like pollen stratigraphy that you use then?
It's what you do is it's explained there, but you get the slides. Basically, you end up with a slide. It's taken every 10 centimetres, and you put it under the microscope, and you basically examine the samples.
Okay.
And you can tell like what kind of pollen there was there, and kind of how much there was of it. So that can give you indications. Comparing it with the other results you've got as well, it gives you an indication of how the environment was at the time, depending on what the kind of species prefers.
Mm-hmm. And do you think that in the course of doing this as a project, how has it impacted kind of your direction of or where you'd like to go? Has it changed your mind at all about what you'd like to look at? Or
I think it's changed my mind a little bit, because I like doing stuff kind of more physically, kind of out in the field doing stuff, but I've realised a lot of this project is actually lab work. There's a lot of lab work to be done, and that's not really my thing. Before I started uni, I wasn't really a lab person.
Okay.
But I mean, I'm obviously happy to do it because it gets a final result. And the interesting thing about this project is you can be doing it for such a long time, but at the end you stand back and look at it, and you've actually got something really interesting to look at.
Something that you've contributed,
The end project will be good.
So